Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have something for you guys. Today I've got a friendly budget student meal to share with you. It's a very common meal, but budget friendly. Now let's dive into it straight. Now before we get to the cooking, let's talk about why the meal is such a budget friendly meal. As students, we know that keeping our expenses in check is crucial. So in that case, this meal comes in rescue to that regard. Let's take a look at the closing, the cooking process, and join us in cooking this meal. So back from market, let's unleash the food stuff. What's this? Banana? I'll be plantain. Which one?
Plantain now.
Now only plantain you go buy for market. As you can see, we are boiling the spaghetti until it's perfectly cooked. It is a cost-effective choice that can feed you for days.
If I don't let you indulge me, your lips like poison. I'll take my chance with you. If I the yellow tabby, wow, you're in denial. I'll show you I love.
Yeah, sometimes you have fun while cooking. It's really important. As you can see, we are mixing the spaghetti and the stew here already, and see how it all comes together. Budget friendly does not mean sacrificing flavor or satisfaction. It's all about making smart choices with what you have. It is the budget friendly student meal of spaghetti and fried plantain. It's the perfect blend of affordability and deliciousness. We have come to the end of this video, and I hope you all enjoyed this budget friendly meal idea. And remember, being a student does not mean you have to compromise on flavor or your budget. If you want more tips or you have questions, leave a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on the notification button for more videos. Thank you, and thanks for watching.